everybody, this is Lila in Hawaii. I still have a few things that I haven't taken videos or photos of lately, so I thought I would sort of gather them up and make some more videos, especially since I'm shut in. Anyway, this is a set, this particular one, and what it is a journal with two of my women on there that I dressed. And the journal is blank. It has two signatures. Some of the pages, the backs of some of the pages have something like that on them. But it's basically blank. Then this is a packet of goodies to decorate your pages. And everything in here is designed so that it would work with the book. So it's ephemera, basically, some extra pages, some ephemera, some of it's photographs, old photographs, and labels, all sorts of things like that. And then the decorative part of it is this, which is a bag of, what do I put in this, buttons, lace, you know, that kind of stuff. I guess I'm going to have to open it this way. I don't want to tear it if I can help it. It's a glassine bag. And so inside, maybe I'll just put it out like that. So inside you will see all kinds of, there's postage stamps, there's lace, there are old buttons that I love. There's old wooden buttons, pieces of doily, all kinds of things like that, some decorative items. So those all go together. That's one set right there. And for fun, I put it on one of my altered clipboards. I finished this a little bit ago. This is another one. I'm going to stand it up and then move the camera, so I hope you can see it better. But anyway, that's a new clipboard, and it has a greeting card that I enlarged and put on there. I think it's probably a birthday card. Well, it is a birthday card, actually. And at the top, I've got an old hat flower and some organza ribbon. I painted the whole board gold, and down here is a vintage silk leaf with a little trinket with some rhinestones. So anyway, that's. Thanks for watching. Goodbye now. Stay well.